Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Zoho Books, one of the most popular accounting platforms for small businesses right now. If you are a freelancer, a startup founder, an e-commerce seller, or a small business owner who wants to stay on top of your finances without drowning in spreadsheets, this video is for you. I'll walk you through what Zoho Books is, what it's used for, its main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and why many people consider it one of the best accounting tools for small businesses in 2026. Zoho Books is a cloud-based accounting software that's designed to help small businesses manage their finances efficiently, accurately, and with far less stress. At its core, Zoho Books helps you handle everyday accounting tasks like invoicing, tracking expenses, reconciling bank accounts, managing taxes, and generating financial reports, all from one centralized dashboard. What really sets Zoho Books apart is that it's built specifically with small and growing businesses in mind. Instead of overwhelming you with complex accounting jargon or unnecessary features, Zoho Books focuses on clarity, automation, and control. It gives business owners a clear picture of their financial health without needing to be a professional accountant. Another important thing to understand is that Zoho Books is part of the Zoho ecosystem, which includes tools for CRM, inventory management, HR, marketing, and analytics. That means if your business grows and you need more tools later, Zoho Books can seamlessly connect with them, making it a long-term solution rather than a short-term fix. Now, let us talk about the main features of Zoho Books. Invoicing and payments. Zoho Books allows you to create professional invoices with customizable templates. You can automate recurring invoices, send payment reminders, and accept online payments. This helps you get paid faster while spending less time chasing clients. Expense tracking. You can track all your business expenses in one place. Zoho Books lets you upload receipts, categorize expenses automatically, and even match them with bank transactions, making bookkeeping much simpler. Bank reconciliation. Zoho Books connects to your bank accounts and automatically pulls in transactions. You can reconcile your accounts easily to ensure your records match your actual bank balances, which is crucial for accurate reporting. Project and time tracking. If you work on client projects or bill by the hour, Zoho Books lets you track time, assign expenses to projects, and invoice clients accurately. You can also see which projects are profitable and which ones aren't. Inventory management. For businesses that sell products, Zoho Books includes inventory tracking. You can manage stock levels, create purchase orders, track sales orders, and automatically update inventory as sales happen. Tax management. Zoho Books helps you stay compliant by calculating taxes, tracking tax payments, and generating tax-ready reports. This is especially useful for businesses operating in regions with strict tax requirements. Automation and workflows. One of Zoho Books' strongest features is automation. You can create workflows that automatically send emails, update records, or trigger actions when certain conditions are met, saving you hours of manual work. Reports and insights. Zoho Books provides detailed financial reports like profit and loss statements, balance sheets, cash flow reports, and more. These insights help you make smarter business decisions based on real data. Now, what is the pricing of Zoho Books like? Zoho Books is known for its flexible and affordable pricing. There's the free plan that you get started with accounting software for free, which is for solopreneurs and micro businesses. And there's a standard plan at £10 per month. There's the professional plan at £20 per month and the premium plan at £25 per month. Now, all these prices apply when you choose to pay annually. If you pay monthly, the prices go up. What are the pros and cons of using Zoho Books? First, the pros. A generous free plan for small businesses. It has excellent value for money compared to competitors. Clean, modern, and easy to use interface. Strong automation tools that save time. It scales well as your business grows. It integrates seamlessly with other Zoho products and is accessible both on desktop and mobile devices. How about the cons? Of course, no software is perfect. Here are a few drawbacks. Customer support is limited on the lower tier plans. There are some advanced features that are locked behind higher pricing tiers, and reporting and automation can feel complex for complete beginners. Also, businesses that need very advanced payroll or industry-specific features may need some integrations. So having considered all this, is Zoho Books worth it in 2026? For small businesses, most small businesses, freelancers, and growing startups, the answer is yes. Zoho Books delivers powerful accounting tools at a price point that makes sense, especially for businesses that want to stay lean while remaining financially organized. While it may not be the absolute best option for very large businesses or enterprises with extremely complex accounting needs, Zoho Books stand out as one of the most well-rounded and cost-effective accounting solutions for small businesses in 2026. If you want clarity, control, and confidence over your finances, Zoho Books is absolutely worth considering. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore QuickBooks Online, Xero, and Wave Accounting. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.